there, we're going to tell you we're going to make a drink with Malbec that's like a New York sour with syrup from Runamok, but it's from a place in Canada, I think?
Yeah.
Toronto? That's in Canada, right?
This one, the syrup's from Vermont.
No, but the drink.
The drink's from Toronto.
Toronto sour. Stay tuned. Welcome to Coffee Man Cocktails. Derek, Dan, and Ian are going to make you a cocktail. Primarily Ian. This drink is called the Toronto Sour. It's kind of like a... what's the other sour we did? The Bronx drink?
No, the New York sour?
The Stone Sour? Oh,
the New York sour, yeah.
New York sour is like a...
It's with wine.
Is a Manhattan? No.
It's a Boston sour with...
It's a Boston, yeah.
It's a whiskey
wine.
sour with wine.
With a wine float,
yeah.
But I feel like there was white in it.
No,
was there egg in there?
Yes.
It's like a Boston sour with wine,
Right.
Yeah.
Maybe that was a little
New
bit
York
white.
and Boston,
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
you bleed
drink...
when you go to New York.
Yes. So is their clam chowder, apparently, which makes no sense.
It's true.
Yeah, it's not chowder if there's no cream in it.
Yeah.
Or bacon.
I don't know much about chowder.
It's like the Red Tide. Do you want to eat soup from the Red Tide?
That's one sign of red that's bad.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Man, clam chowder's going on.
This is the recipe. 2 ounces of rye whiskey, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of maple syrup, a 1/2 ounce of Malbec dry red wine floated to the top, which is how you typically do a New York sour. You're going to pour the whiskey, lemon juice, and maple syrup into a shaker with ice. Shake it up. And then shake it straight into a chill coupe. Float your wine. So we're using Runamok maple syrup. This came in a little bit ago.
Look at this stuff.
Yeah, it looks
Sugar
like
maker's cut.
it looks like a whiskey
Sugar maker.
because it comes in like one of those 375 Boston rounds.
Ian tried to drink this shit.
Yeah,
it's just syrup.
It's syrup. So if you drink it,
Did you already use the syrup?
I would Super Troopers the shit out of that thing.
Oh.
I don't exactly understand what that means.
If someone gives money, then he'll do that.
Yeah, my diabetes will flare up though. I'm probably gonna die if I
Did you use the syrup? Did you use it?
Oh, you did? You already put it in?
Really?
Did anyone see him?
I didn't see it.
Pour more maple syrup in here? Already saying?
Nope. I was just double
Trust
checking.
the process.
I was just checking.
Trust the process. Sugar Maker's Cut maple syrup
blessing.
from Runamok Maple. It's a 375 milliliter bottle. Looks like a whiskey, which is funny. I checked the website. That was interesting. I believe it's $16.
For it.
I don't know. I just clicked on. I think it's like $16 a bottle or something like that. Select the size. Oh, they have the bigger ones.
So why is it a 1/2 ounce? What's the
$16.95 for one of these, huh?
Oh, $16.95 for one of these?
Yeah.
Is this gonna float?
It doesn't matter. It's probably gonna sink. Yeah, it should sink. That's fine.
You're pouring it all over the
Oh my
Oh my god, you made a shit of a mess.
Have you bled yet?
Have you bled yet?
All over the bar.
What? Oh.
That is quite the look.
Well, it's not really.
I don't think it can really float though.
It probably would if I cared a little bit.
Yeah.
If you cared a little bit more, had a little bit more time.
That's what I'm looking for. Thank you.
And potentially had something that would pour slower.
Yeah. Yes. But
Well,
he didn't.
look, it's
The look
floating
doesn't
now.
translate
You
to
can
the
see
skill.
the yellow. Is that good on the camera?
Yeah, you gotta give it a little bit of time.
Yeah,
It'll float
let's
up.
separate.
Yeah, it'll all
Let it
separate.
do its work. I know what I'm doing. Let it do its work.
Yeah, it's gonna do it itself.
The New York executive producers Win
shit.
shooting. Where'd it go?
Awesome. Behind the couch.
Dick.
I'll get it.
I didn't realize I was that tall.
I didn't realize I was that strong.
There you have it.
Yeah.
Oh, let it float some more.
Oh, you just fucked up the floater, you.
I'm thirsty.
Shot of rum, Derek.
Oh my god. People. Why are there cinnamon sticks on the floor? What is this? How is this even not?
Why did you do that?
Why is it like hanging off?
What'd you do?
Jesus fuck.
Jeez, I was gonna get it after the show. You have to go down right during the show.
Well, it fell. That's not a good reason, right? Tastes like grapes.
It's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
It's not terrible.
That really sounds.
Ian's drink. It's not terrible.
It's not terrible.
No, I mean compared to what we just had, it's pretty good. No, it's interesting. The wine and the there's like that little syrupy flavor in the back.
It is. It's got the little.
It's all right.
I put the maple syrup in there.
It's got the
Are
maple
you
syrup.
sure?
You like the syrup?
It has like a raspberry flavor to
The
it.
syrup is good.
Yeah, it's the wine.
You like the sauce?
Raspberry though?
But
The sauce is good.
What's the reason for the Malbec? Is it just any red wine,
They
or
did.
No,
I
call
like
for
the
Malbec.
sauce.
called for Malbec?
But Malbec isn't from Canada, so
That's what I
this
was.
is from Argentina. 2016. Like that's a $16 bottle of wine in there.
Good syrup.
It's good wine.
It smells good.
It's good syrup.
The syrup definitely comes through.
No, it does.
Really good syrup.
The wine is dry.
Yeah.
I think that called for dry red wine. Yeah. The wine is dry. The syrup is sweet, so it plays this funny little. Are you doing shots of syrup?
Oh, that's good.
'Tis the season, motherfucker.
Oh, look at that. They want Jen to
Can't
do
fuck
a shot.
No.
She should come on camera and do a
did
shot.
not. How
If
am
you
I
guys
gonna
like
know
this
if
video,
one
if you guys like this
or
video
Derrick?
2,000
Read it
times,
right.
He doesn't.
Jen will do a shot.
English is not his primary language.
English is not strong with Dan.
No.
It's not.
I make it look like what I want it to look like.
Spelling.
Yes is no.
That's
No, wait. No is yes.
either.
Spelling.
See? How much for a shot of 151 for Jen and Derrick?
No.
So that's
Yes.
half a shot each.
No.
Everybody's got a price,
Comma,
Jen.
comma, for Derrick.
I have some good 151.
Jen put her own commas in, so who is making their own English up now?
No.
Not me.
No, she did not make it.
Yeah, your English is not strong. I like the syrup better.
Then the drink? You don't. So wait a minute.
It's okay.
I like the drink. I think
I
it's
thought the
interesting.
drink was pretty good.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Derek's
got no
taking
lemon in it.
personally.
No, I just was trying
Huh?
to
It's
put.
got no lemon in it. It's okay.
Oh,
Oh my God.
lemon in it?
Gonna go to lemon.
No,
Maybe
it's
you
lemon.
have a problem with lemon.
Yeah, it does have lemon in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has lemon in it.
Maybe you just don't like things with lemon.
Maybe I didn't put lemon in it. You like it?
Maybe his lemon sensitivity's back.
I like things with
It
lemon.
flares
You
up.
like whiskey
It's
sours?
that-
I do.
It's that time of the month again. I can see the cold sore.
What the fuck is going
I'm
on?
not being bitchy.
Who's being bitchy?
Nobody said that. He said that.
I mean, it's all right. I don't know.
We'll let the girl.
You know what it is? I wasn't a huge fan of the taste of the wine.
You don't like
So
the
maybe that's throwing me off.
Malbec's okay.
You don't
Yeah.
like it? What?
It's just a little sweet.
Yeah.
It's like,
It's sweet.
I think it's a good thing.
I thought the maple syrup was sweet. You think this is sweet?
Yeah.
It's like jammy.
It is.
It's like jammy.
It's a
Like
little
it gives out a
syrupy.
like a jammy
That way.
taste.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Sounds
And this
pretty
has
good.
like that same grapey jam flavor.
Yeah.
There you go. I don't think it's that bad.
It's not bad.
It's drier than it's
Oh,
supposed to
it's
be.
way too sweet. Ugh.
Let's go. Oh. Okay, so that drink
It's not
obviously
bad.
isn't passing very well.
I like it, Derek. Put it in the recipe.
It's
Put it,
too
put it, put it in the database.
Put it in the
Put it in the
DVD.
database.
Boom. Put it in the
Yeah.
database.
It's not my kind of
sweet. Yeah, that's a yucky not drink. It's too sweet. Tastes like jelly grapes.
Yeah, someone's.
Yummy.
What?
Jelly grapes.
Yeah.
I thought it was fine, but
It's not bad,
Meaning-
but you know, I didn't really like the New York sour either.
Hmm.
I wasn't like a huge fan of that either.
This
I
is
remember-
tight.
Maybe if you put more
'Cause it's
lemon juice
wine.
in it.
I do like whiskey sours, and this doesn't taste anything like that.
No.
But
I don't know if that would work for everybody. More lemon juice.
I like lemons. Do you like it?
I do. I like that drink.
I think if it was a little more citrus, it needs a little more
I did
bite
it on
to
the
it.
train.
Yeah.
so what you could do is you
I
could,
won't drink
I
it in
drink
a
it while in
house
pain.
or with a mouse.
like Dr. Seuss is saying, I think what you could do here is you can bump it up
I
to
wouldn't
like
spill it. It would make
I
it
do
stink.
not like wine in my drink.
if you bump it up to 1 ounce of wine, a lemon instead of 3/4, maybe
Yep,
that.
yep. I think they could be right. It just needs a little more balance.
Pop it up a little bit.
I mean, I like the sweetness. It's not bad. Like I could
Old man
drink.
pants.
I could drink it.
Yeah.
You know what I could? I mean,
Some
It's gotta get over my belly so it doesn't sit. Doesn't
this
sink.
could just be really sweet. You know,
is
maybe if you use a lighter syrup, you wouldn't need to do that. But
It might.
If you use
I think maybe if I use a drier wine.
Drier wine.
I think if you use a drier wine, because this is jammy. Like
Yep.
this, yeah.
Yeah, the wine's
I thought,
sweet
I
on
mean,
its
a
own.
Malbec, it has a little Pinot Noir like flavor to it, like the fruity
Yeah.
forward flavor.
Yeah, but you could go drier.
Yeah, and the problem is without having tried any of it, didn't have a lot of. Let's be
Maybe
honest,
you could do-
didn't have a lot of Malbec at the grocery store. But I wouldn't have known which one would have been the drier out of
Maybe
them.
you could use like a Syrah.
You think that'd be drier?
Syrah.
From Australia? Is this? No, that's from Argentina. Anyway, so you guys should try this at home and then leave your comment and tell us, do you like it? Do you agree with Dan? Do you agree with Ian? Do you agree with me? Who do you agree with?
Yes.
And while you're
We all have
agreeing,
different tastes.
or
That's why we do
disagreeing,
this.
you can use coupon code whiskey at AwesomeDrinks.com. Save yourself some cash when you buy your next set of coupe glasses because you broke yours and you need new ones.
Pretty boring if we agreed all the time.
That's true.
Yeah, it would. I mean, Ian hasn't agreed with me until right now, like the whole week.
Well, you finally got right, so.
See, up until there, I was just fucking wrong the whole time. That's it. Down below, AwesomeDrinks.com. Over there, cocktail recipes, because that's what we do here. And that's it.
Whiskey.
More of it coming. We're teaching you how to drink.